Good morning, students. Today again I have taken here some numerical problems, right? So let's see here. Let's discuss the first questions, right? In the first questions, please note down the first question. 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 are located at Q. Just see here, it will be not Q, it will be R1. Please note it and write down it will be R1 and R2 respectively in an external electric field E. Obtain the expression for the total work done in assembling these configurations. Is it right? So here the question is related with the finding the total work done. This is very important question. Once again note it. It's a very important questions. So 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 located at distance of R1 and R2. Is it right? So keep it in mind. So if I write down here, let me take here some points, like suppose this is a point. Is it right? Where this is a point of what? Infinity. Let me write once again. Suppose this is infinity and this is a point having a distance of what? Suppose R1, and or you can write here it is R2. Is it right? And this is a distance of what? It is R1. Is it right? So once again the question, look at the question, it is R1 and R2 respectively total work done. What will be the total work done? Is it right? So look at here, when you take a charge or the net charge, suppose Q, is it right? Here the charge is given you as what? Q1 and Q2 are located. Work done in assembling these configurations. Is it right? So if I'll bring, suppose here, look at the answer. Work done in bringing a charge Q1 from infinity to a position R1. So when you bring it from infinity to a point of R1, the distance of R1, so here in this equation you can simply write as, you know, you can write it is W1, work done number 1. It is formula, the formula is very simple. Work done is equal to potential into the distance. Is it right? So here it is suppose V1 and it is R1. Similarly, work done for 2. Is it right? So how will you write down this 2? Let's see. So first let me see this. W2, work done in bringing the charge Q2 to a position of R2. So once again it is very simple. Now when we add here, what happened? If I'll see Q1 and Q2, is it right? And what is this? I think you are talking about this two charges, because you can see in work done we need what? We need the two charges. Here there is a charge 1 and there is a charge what? 2. Is it right? So when you bring it from here to at one of the position, this is the work done and this is the second work done. So it will be, I think it is V2 and what? R2. Is it right? But one more work done is left between the two charges. Look at here. I think the last class we have already discussed that in work done formula is also possible by K. It is what? It is Q1 and Q2 by the distance R. Is it right? Distance is R. So once again, if I'll see this, this is the Q1, Q2, and in place of K, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and R. R12 is the distance. So overall, there are 3 different work done has been takes place. Is it right? So once again, if I'll see, so that work done number 1, it is equal to V1 and it is what? R1. Work done number 2, it is equal to V2 and what? R2. But one more work done between the two charges, Q1 and what? Q2. For that work done you will write as W3, and W3 will be what? It is K. You know that two charges are Q1 and Q2 by the distance between the two. and the distance between the two you can mention anything, suppose 1 r2. So here you can write 1 of 1 dot. Now add all, because of scalar quantity, so total work done will be add only. Is it right? Total work done, is it right, is equal to w1. So the addition of w1 plus w2 and plus what, w3. You will add, if I'll add this all, I think you will get this answer. Is it right? Okay, next question. Look at here, very simple. Two closely spaced equipotential surfaces A and B, these are A and B, with potential V and V plus del V. So if the downward is the V and upward is del V, del V is the small portion of increasing, is it right? At dl distance, the distance between the two is what, dl, very small distance, is it, where L is the distance we mentioned. Deduce the relation between the electric field and potential gradient between them. Potential gradient between them. Is it right? The meaning of the potential gradient is very simple. Potential by distance. Is it right? We will discuss this once again. Potential gradient. Write two important conclusions concerning and the relation between the electric field and the electric potential. Is it right? So once again, if I'll discuss this, it's very simple. This is the relation will come out. So is it right? So let's see here how we solve this one. You know that electric field, is it right, where electric field, it is equal to, electric field is equal to what, V by R, which we can write as del V by what, del R, where del V is very simple. Del V is equal to what, difference of the two potential, V2 minus what, V1. Is it clear? Okay. Now in equipotential surface, where this V2 is suppose according to the given as V plus del V. So let me write it is del, okay, where it is D, don't be confused, and V1 is equal to only V. So when we put it here, the value, is it right, इन दोनों वैल्यू को यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं. When you put this, I think the माइनस करने से सिर्फ del V बचेगा, है ना, del V will be left. So the यहाँ पे आ गया तुम्हारे पास del V. Is it right? So here it's again in place of that you can write it is del V by the del R, but one minus will be there, yes, because V1, you know, and the difference of the two, higher minus smaller than. तो यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो इसमें, you can see here it's del plus V, so VA minus VB. If I write then only minus, minus is not so important, you can write the A minus B, double भी कर सकते हैं, तो ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है कि हमको माइनस लिखना ही है, you can write it plus also. Is it right? So overall, so electric field relation ये निकालना था बस, और कुछ नहीं है. Is it right? तो ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. Is it right? ये भी बहुत बार आ चुका है तुम्हारा बोर्ड में. But keep it in mind that potential gradient is potential by the distance, है ना. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. One more important question here. Look at here, they have asked so many times the board question. A test charge Q is moved, ये देखो ये तुम्हारा फिगर है. A test charge is moved from A to C. A to C में तुमने मूव किया है. Along the path A to B, पहले इधर गया, फिर इधर से नीचे आया, and then from B to C, and then from what, B to C. First you go A to B and then B to C. In the electric field as shown, calculate the potential difference between the A and C. Is it right? So keep it in mind that potential, when you are going to find out, then we always, once again, we always use this formula, E is equal to del V by del R. Is it right? You just look at here, but del V is equal to E. Del V क्या है इसमें? Del V is between A and C. तो A का और C का, VA minus VC. Electric field is E, where what is distance? The distance we always take it as a what, straight. ये 5 नहीं लेंगे हम लोग, बस इसका ध्यान रखना है. Is it right? We cannot take this distance. We take only the straight. But C and B, they both have the same potential. So मैं C को B में भी रख सकता हूँ. That's why we take the difference of the two. Is it right? They may ask the questions, what is the potential difference between B and C? So you will say they are same. तो देखो 4E आ गया है ना. Okay, next. At which point is the electric field potential is more? Potential जहाँ ज़्यादा कहाँ पे है? Is it right? So if I'll take the magnitude of this mode ले लो इसका 4E हो गया इसमें है ना. तो VC minus VA if it is 4E, is it right? So it's a negative also. Then if it is negative, then I think VC is less than the VA. So here what we take here, हमने यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन का इस्तेमाल किया है. Is it right? Related as minus del V by del R. Is it right? इसका ध्यान रखना है. So let me show you this one very important note for you. Keep it in mind that, is it right? It's very important also that potential, is it right? Note it here. It's very simple and very important also. Potential is line integral potential is line integral of electric field. Is it right? Potential is line integral of electric field means V is always minus E into what dl. Is it right? How it is possible we'll show you some other day. Is it right? Just keep it in mind that potential is the line integral of what electric field. That is why we write always minus here. Is it right? So माइनस की वजह से देखो ये नेगेटिव में है. तो नेगेटिव का मतलब है कि सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज है कि VA VC से ग्रेटर है. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव रिटन इट इज आल्सो दैट VA इज ग्रेटर देन द VC. Is it right? Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. ग्राफ बनाना है पोटेंशियल और डिस्टेंस के बीच में. इज इट राइट? ग्राफ, प्लॉट अ ग्राफ. सो आई थिंक we have already discussed. Once again brother, when they will ask, graph भी बहुत पूछता है तुमको. So this is potential and this is a distance. So what happened here? Suppose एक point charge तुम्हारा यहाँ पे Q है, then slowly and slowly तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है, distance बढ़ रहा है. तो जितना distance बढ़ते जाएगा पोटेंशियल तुम्हारा क्या होगा, कम होते जाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द चार्ज की वजह से मेरे ख्याल से you will use this formula Q by R, right? And they are inversely related. So when they are inversely related, we always use this what, parabolic graph. Keep it in mind. Not only this, electric field में भी वही होता है ना. If I write E is equal to, you will say K, है ना, and K Q by what? It is R square. So what do you say that this is also parabolic? ये भी parabolic होगा. लेकिन अगर दोनों ग्राफ एक जगह पूछा जाए, so it's very important questions. Note it and please note down in your copy. जो मैं questions के साथ पहले तो मैं बता देता हूँ, right? According to the questions, this is parabolic graph. You can see ये number कुछ नहीं है, ये इन्होंने ऐसे दिया हुआ है. ठीक है? Keep it in mind. You simply have to plot the graph. Is it clear? But note it that आज मैं तुमको एक questions बता देता हूँ. बोर्ड में 2-3 बार पूछ चुका है तुम्हारा. Plot a graph of potential and what, electric field. तो you know उनका ग्राफ कुछ ऐसे बनता है. Just follow this one like this. Which is potential and which is electric field we don't know, but distance is there. तो एक काम करते हैं, right? ये जो क्रॉसिंग हुआ ना, तो क्रॉसिंग तो दोनों का सेम है. इसका मतलब है at this point of crossing they both are same. How it is possible? So if V is equal to K, it's Q by R, and electric field E, is it right? It is equal to K Q by R square. If they are equal, that is only possible when R is equal to 1. Just look at here. R1 डाल दो और यहाँ पे स्क्वायर का भी 1 हो जाएगा, तो दोनों सेम हो जाएगा। V इज इक्वल टू वट E एट इक्वल टू R, तो यानी कि ये हो गया तुम्हारा 1, डिस्टेंस 1 हो गया, है ना। अच्छा, एंड नाउ इफ आई पुट हियर R इक्वल टू सपोज 2, 2 डाल देने से 4 हो जाएगा ये। When it is 4, electric field will be less because it is 2, it is high. They are inversely related. ये इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड की वजह से R2 डालने से पोटेंशियल हो जाएगा ज़्यादा। तो अगर मान लो ये तुम्हारा 2 पॉइंट है, इज इट एट द 2 पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा ये है, यानी कि ये हो गया पोटेंशियल, ये हो गया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। ये सिंपल तरीका है तुम्हारा निकालने का। थैंक यू।